So in the model, even though my main origin is down there, the drawing is using the main origin. Even though each of these parts has its own origin, like from that left side, that's lined up with the part, right? Because that's how it was drawn. I thought it used to be that the parts would line up with their own origins. I've never had this issue before, but it looks like now they're coming in based on the main one, and even going in and trying to change the settings here to either that front or that right. They're still coming in twisted, but because the up and down was okay, top is still good because everything is still vertical. And so one thing we could do here, we could take this and we could rotate this view now, pick a transform point, then use reference, just pick 2 points that are along that same flat edge, and then rotate it however we need it to be. And now from that we can project. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to rotate it again. So I'm gonna have to do a couple rotations to try and get it. An easier option is just when you're doing your assembly, leave it, like put it together this way so everything is flat and straight. Save this, and then use this when you make your drawings. Because now when I go in and refresh my drawings, everything's fixed. That one's messed up because I turned it myself, but all these other views are correct now. So when you're making your assembly, make it like this. Make things so that they're up and down. Like if the hexes are turned a little bit, that's an easy thing to just turn, but have it facing the same direction as your planes are. If you want it just up and down a little bit, that's okay, but don't twist it forward or back also. I twist it in one direction only, but not in two directions. Like if I take this joint here and I rotate it just like that, and I capture that, save it, all my views are still going to be mostly correct. But it's going to be at an angle because that's inclined on the part. I can just rotate that view back. My reference, the corners, make it straight, and then just reproject that view. So I could do that. So, but I would say just have it, just have it up and down. Makes it easy. I don't know why it's doing that now. It should be per component, but just think about that while you're doing your assembly. Keep it lined up straight.